Hey, welcome back to Lumibella Fashion. I'm Praveena. I hope you guys are well. Today we are sharing one of the beautiful bridal set designed for a lovely bride. I'm going to show you how we were able to give the bride what she was exactly looking for. Her requirement was heavy work temple jewelry and she wanted not more than 2 neck sets, but it was expected to be a heavy work. So here we go. The first we have is this Goddess Lakshmi inspired choker neck set with heavy motif work and shiny green beads. It has nice kemp stones throughout the neck set. So this was the first piece which we were able to give it to the bride. The second set is a long and heavy work matte gold polish harem. Lord Krishna is beautifully engraved. Also there is a peacock work all over the set. Both the neck sets comes with green and ruby fox stones. The harem comes with nice golden beads at the bottom as well. As you can see, the definition of the neck sets are really clear. So the next was hip accessory. The bride was not looking for a belt style Ottiyanam, so we designed the look with chain style Vadanam. As you can see, it was Lakshmi inspired hip chain which comes with the adjustable ring at the back side. So all the Lakshmi pendants are heavy work. As you can see, there is a beautiful engravement happening in throughout the sets, and all of these are like temple jewelry inspired ones. So even the long harem looks extremely beautiful, and you can see that there is a beautiful golden beads work happening throughout with the concept itself. The next one is the 3-layered Mang Tikka with the Lakshmi motifs and white pearls. You can see there is a lot of ruby work happening in the pendant side, and also there is a very small hanging at the bottom. It can be removed as well. And the middle one comes with complete ruby work. At the end of the Mang Tikka, there is 2 heart-sized pendants attached to balance the weight of the Mang Tikka. And there is 3 hooks, and the hooks are really strong. It helps to hold the whole Mang Tikka very well. So this was the 3-layer Mang Tikka we have designed for the bride. So the overall concept was having a South Indian touch to the whole jewelry, wherein she wanted a heavy work, but she wanted a limited number of pieces she is going to wear. The next one was the requirement for the nose ring. Since she didn't have a pierced nose, she wanted something like a press type or a adjustable type one, and a bit on a bigger size. Usually the nose pins of round layers comes with little bit smaller style, but this one was comparatively a bigger one. So this was a screw style adjustment nose pin. She had beautiful white pearls at the bottom, and she wanted something with the peacock work as well. This is also a very lightweight one. And then comes the earrings part. She really wanted a jhumki. She was like inspired with the jhumki concept, and she wanted a very big jhumki. and we were able to help her with the biggest jhumki collection we had. As you can see, this also comes with a Lakshmi inspired and floral inspired matte gold polish design, and the golden beads were like really bigger ones. And to hold this whole jhumki, she wanted something very unique, and she was talking about this Bahubali inspired ear chains, and we were able to get her something like this with even more jhumki works happening in the ear chains, also with the pearl layers. So this one comes with, I think, around 4 to 5 jhumkis, and this holded the jhumki really well because the weight of the jhumki was taken care. So this is one side of the earrings and with the Bahubali inspired ear chains. So I'll show you guys the other side of the jhumki and earrings as well. So here is the other side. So with the ear chains, we were able to hold the jhumkis really well, and it was like displayed very beautifully on her. So this whole set was inspired from bride's requirement of heavy work temple jewelry, starting from choker to long harem. You can see how rich it looks, and it was looking extremely gorgeous on her with all those hip chains and beautiful motif collections, and she looked really great with this patu sari and mang tikka, especially the mang tikka part. It looked very, very attractive on her, and also the jhumki was able to hold well with the ear chains, and the jhumki was not as heavy as expected on her, and she was able to manage it well since it was a very time consuming process, the whole wedding itself. So it was very, very pretty on her. So the details of this whole set is given in the description box down. You can check it out. You can also check all these collections in our website lumibellafashion.co.in. You can also search our app Lumibella Fashion in Google Store as well as Apple Store. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do comment if you have any requirement for styling your wedding or any other special event. We'll be happy to help you with our best of collections. And please do subscribe our YouTube channel and do share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.